guys, I'm starting the second weekly vlog today, and right now we are outside Blue Tokai in South Mumbai, and this is the first time we're trying it. I'm just having coffee from outside. I'm not eating junk at all, so I'm pretty happy about it. Also, I was very low, so we thought we should go out for a drive. I was extremely low. The whole day went really blah, and because of some personal reasons, I wasn't feeling up to it. And I also had forgotten that I had to start the vlog for the second week. And just now when I remembered, I'm like, oh, thank God, time pe yaad hai, because we were going back home. Then I decided कि चलो कॉफ़ी पीते हैं, and उतने में याद आया कि shit vlog नहीं start किया second week का, and it's gonna take some time for me to realize that we are weekly vlogging. So and camera पे नहीं लिया, इसके लिए phone पे shoot कर रही हूँ. So basically, Nikhil has gone to get the coffee, and that's why I'm again and again looking that side, because I'm waiting for the coffee to see, because I've heard so much about it. I'm just very excited to try it out. And I'm gonna go home, and today is gonna be some work day. Like I'm just gonna work on some classes stuff, and not much. I'll keep you all posted. We'll take you all along. And my wake today was not that great.
Cappuccino.
Acha, you just said cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
So Nikhil is here with 2 coffees.
This is your flat white.
It's hot.
तो गरम ही होएगा ना. गरम कोल्ड कॉफी थोड़ी मांगा था तूने.
अच्छा, तू ऊपर से वो होल्डर निकालना बच्चे.
अरे यार.
सैनिटाइज किया?
अभी करूं, बट इसमें होल है. वो ढक्कन निकाल के पीना. वैसे भी घर जाके नहाना ही है.
Hey, it's hot. This looks nice.
इसको मैं यार.
Ooh, it's strong. It's nice, but it's too bitter for my taste. But it's nice. It's nice bitter. Yeah, I don't mind having this wala bitter. Like the taste of the coffee is really good. Oh shit! I just had the froth. I didn't even have the coffee. My God, already the energy is overflowing. It's nice. I'm
tasting
happy.
the cappuccino.
Flat light or flat white? Flat white, and Nikhil has taken cappuccino.
चपटा हुआ सफेद.
Nikhil has taken cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Please, अब तक तू cappuccino बोल रहा था. Anyway, so I'm going to do a taste test quickly.
I am also doing taste test. Policeman is watching us.
It's bitter, but it's yummy. It's good wala bitter. Like I don't like outside wala coffee itna usually. How's it?
Better. Like it's tasting good, but slightly bitter is there. मतलब वो हल्का सा bitter.
Exactly, and that bitter is nice. Like I don't.
But I don't like this bitter. I don't know. When I saw him, बहुत bitter है. मतलब when I saw.
तो तेरा इसके लिए ये लेना चाहिए.
पता नहीं. When I saw him putting the coffee ना, तो उसने एकदम इतना सारा coffee लिया, दबा के डाला.
Obviously. That's why I took flat white, because I knew that उसमें भी कड़वा ही होगा. ये भी कड़वा है, but it's nice.
It's very कड़वा. I don't like this much कड़वा.
कभी कोई सुनता नहीं है.
मैंने इसमें 2 पैकेट शुगर डाला है, छोटा.
This is good. I like mine.
चलो.
I think this is the bitter that you would like. Taste कर.
मैंने किया ना.
But और एक बार like पहले तूने अच्छे से नहीं बड़ा सब नहीं लिया, अच्छे से ले. This is the bitter you will like.
Kind of. Yeah.
I told you.
But this is more bitter.
That is very bitter. I can see the color of the coffee. Show them the color of the coffee. Cappuccino.
हाँ yeah.
And mine is like light. Coffee date. So I loved Blue Tokai coffee so much that I ordered it today. It's the same flat white with sugar free, and the climate. Of when I told you I want to watch Family Man, how did you react to it?
Give me a cue.
चलना Family Man चलाते हैं. Family Man चलाना.
हैं? Really?
देखेगी?
Really? देखेगी?
So guys, I usually don't watch anything which has violence. I don't like watching something like that. Like that's not my favorite genre to watch anything. But suddenly, I don't know, I was like, you know what, let's watch Family Man finally. So I told Nikhil, अभी वो खाना खा रहा था and he just started watching Friends and मैंने बोला, you know what, चल Family Man चला देखते हैं. He's like, हाँ देखेगी? लाइक वो टॉम एंड जेरी में कब वो टॉम होता है, वो उसके सामने कोई बहुत प्यारी सी खूबसूरत से बिल्ली आ रही है, लाइक सम गर्ल बिल्ली इज वॉकिंग, लाइक सो उसके आंखों में कैसे वो हार्ट्स आ जाते हैं, एग्जैक्टली वैसे निकलने. हाँ देखेगी?
ये बता कि मैं तुझे कन्विंस कर रहा हूँ देखने के लिए, and I've already seen both the seasons.
Yeah, he's seen both the seasons and I am making him watch it again with me.
I would love to watch it again with
Yeah, because apparently he was telling me whenever he used to watch it, like he had started watching it, he was watching क्या mute पे.
Mute पे
Because I used to be on call and so not to disturb me, that's why he used to watch it on mute.
तो आधी गालियाँ और डायलॉग्स में सुनता ही नहीं था.
अभी सुनेगा.
कैरमल क्यों स्क्रैच करे तूने? अभी खाना
ये खाना खा रहा है और उसको मुंह मारने के लिए मैडम कैरमल यहाँ बैठी हुई है. चल थोड़ा दिखाते हैं कैसे होता है, कैरमल कैसे करती है. वेट कर रहे कब चालू. Okay, chalo, let's start watching this and I'll catch you all soon. Hi guys, so I don't know today is what day, 30 days challenge mein, but today I did not work out. I was very exhausted. I got up I think exactly around 8 o'clock, when is like that time is my workout time on alternate days, and I did not get up on time, so I could not work out. Camel, no putting your nose to that, it needs to be washed first. So वो मिस हो गया, लेकिन कल होपफुली है. कल उन्नति has told me that she'll take my workout session tomorrow, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. And tomorrow we have a live Zoom session where we teach a lot of things about how we grow on social media and how you all can also grow on social media. And one thing which is really exciting, I'm going to show you right now, is the Urbanic stuff has arrived finally. So I'm going to show you the Urbanic t-shirts and the 2 earrings that I ordered. So let's start. The first earrings जो बहुत पहले आ चुकी थी, मेरे हाथ अब येलो है क्योंकि आज मैंने येलो फॉन्ट से काम किया, तो प्लीज़ इग्नोर दैट. बट दिस इज हाउ द फर्स्ट earring looks like. It's a very pretty long dangling earrings and they're very colorful, so I love colorful stuff. That's my vibe and I really love it. So that was one, and I'm going to open these, but I have to be very careful because they're not washed. So during COVID we're being very careful about these things. This is the first t-shirt. I love the marble color, the color especially yellow, and the marble tie-dye kind of thing. And it's written what? Be creative, the best can wait. So I love this. This was 2XL, but it doesn't look like 2XL. I'll probably try it out once it's washed and I'll let you all know how it is. The second is this. I love tie-dye these days, so I ordered a lot of tie-dye stuff. This is orange in color. Third and last one is a very pretty purple. I think this should also be called as lilac or lavender if I'm not wrong. Caramel, can you not do that? And इस पे बहुत cute girl print है, and I'm very excited to wear this. So probably I'll be wearing this tomorrow for the class. And the last thing is another earring. It's a very cute gummy bear earring, which I myself haven't checked till now. Oh my god, this is extremely small than I was expecting, but it's very cute. So I'm gonna wear this and the purple t-shirt tomorrow, and I hope I look cute because I'm gonna wear a hairband also maybe. Let's see how that goes. I'll probably show you my look tomorrow. And that's it for today. And we just had dinner and we're watching Family Man. We are on which episode right now? Third or fourth?
Third or fourth.
The episodes are really long, so, and since we have a lot of work going on right now, so I'm not able to watch it constantly. But I swear to God, if I did not have work, I would have finished it in 2 nights. I'm not even kidding. But I cannot right now. So the current status is that I'm loving it. I'm loving Family Man, and I forgot to tell you all. So my brother is into production, and he does a lot of Dice Media and a lot of production houses. He does a lot of production work. So he I think 2 years back, Nikhil and I had gone to Goa, and I don't know if you all know or not. Mostly, you all will know him. His name is V. Rajwant Singh. My brother knows that there's an actor who works in these web series and stuff, and he's very famous. His name is V. Rajwant Singh, and you all know him from What the Folks mainly. So he's working with him on a web series currently, and tomorrow's like the last day of shoot, I think. So tomorrow they're wrapping up. I think it's another series, not the same series as of now. But my brother knows that I love him. He's so cute and I really adore him. So he made me talk to him on a video call. And Nikhil and I had seen him last 2 years back in July when we were in Goa. And we literally missed him by 3 times. Like literally 3 बार वो हमारे सामने आके गए. But we couldn't meet him. And today when Suraj, like my brother, called me and he literally surprised me by putting the camera on his face. It was so cute, and he was talking like so friendly, and like he was really friendly and very nicely he spoke to us. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा था we were talking to a celeb, but it was very nice. He was very sweet, very generous to talk like the way he was talking, and we had a lot of nice time talking to him. And tomorrow we are sending a cake to him because they're wrapping up, so we are sending a cake to him and to the whole crew obviously. So let's see how that goes. I'll keep you all posted about that also. And by the time this vlog comes up, I think their shoot obviously will be done and stuff, so we'll keep on posting.
तेरा रिएक्शन का स्निपेट डालूं?
हाँ, मेरा रिएक्शन का स्निपेट भी डाल सकते हैं, तो इसके बाद प्रॉब्ली निखिल विल ऐड माय रिएक्शन का स्निपेट.
नहीं तो
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good यार. कैसे हो? कहाँ हो?
Get up.
क्या पैकिंग निखिल?
Yes.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What?
Guys, I just made this cake and I know that
Put some light on it.
we don't like him, but isn't it cute?
Put some light on it.
Ah!
मैं लग रहा हूँ कोरोना.
तेको कोरोना लगना है? Please just say hi to my vlog.
Yeah.
Hi.
This is going to go on YouTube, huh, guys?
Yeah.
क्या ये पोस्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
फोटो नहीं ले रहा हूँ मैं.
So guys, we just finished the workshop. It's 9:30 right now, and I know it went 2.5 overboard.
बहुत लंबा था.
But we spoke in detail.
Yeah. We started at 4. नहीं 4:15-20 को चालू किया. फिर 20 मिनट तो सबको ऐड करने में लग गया.
But it
so
was
much confusing.
It was so detailed. I mean, 2.5 hours extra. I don't think anybody has done that in the industry.
नहीं बहुत लोग करते हैं.
2.5 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा कोई नहीं करता है.
सोशल मीडिया क्लास के लिए मतलब हमने इतना सारा कवर कर रहे हैं.
हाँ तो exactly, लेकिन वो उतना टाइम लग गया and people loved it and I'm so happy.
Yeah, we thought बोर हो जाएंगे लोग, but
I'm exhausted. My head is hurting a lot, but I'm very happy and content that finally it happened.
Yeah.
उस दिन cancel होने के बाद because I was really upset about that, but it went well. I'm so happy.
अभी घर जाके.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm hungry and happy.
I'm hungry and headache.
चलो.
Hello guys. I don't know after how long.
I don't know after how long.
Can I speak?
Can I speak?
I don't know after how long I'm vlogging.
How long I'm vlogging?
Can I speak, please?
Can I speak,
I need to start my training.
I have to start my training. तेको पति मिला है, भाई मिला है.
मेरे नाखून उखड़ गए यार. 4.
तेको पति चाहिए था, भाई चाहिए था.
Can I please finish so I can go and work out?
चल finish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nikhil. Anyway, so I'm vlogging after a very long time, and a lot of things happened in these few days, and they were not that great things. Like I just didn't want to speak about it on the camera, and I wasn't in the mood to vlog, so I did not. And today is Wednesday, right? Or Tuesday?
I think ये 2 हफ्ते
आज क्या है? Wednesday है, Tuesday है?
आज Tuesday.
Sorry, today is Tuesday, and I did not work out in the morning, so my trainer shifted the time to the evening, and now it's 5 o'clock, and I just got up, I think an hour back. I had gotten up in the morning, I just scrolled on social media a little, and then I again went back to sleep, and now I am awake and I'm gonna start my workout. It's 5 o'clock already, and we're gonna start working out, and after that probably have one meal only today, and again sleep because I'm very exhausted for some reason. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep you all posted. I think ये इस बार 2 हफ्ते का vlog शायद साथ में जाएगा, या 10 दिन का एक पूरा vlog बनेगा. I'm not sure, but I will keep you all posted. Nothing interesting is happening. There was a big fight that happened, but all that has happened, and it has been hopefully cleared out. Let's see how that goes. But वो मैंने vlog में नहीं डाला because I didn't want to speak about it. But yeah, I showed you all my class का snippet. The class was great, and we had a lot of fun, and we have another class which is coming up on 4th, which is again a live class for social media. So I'm very excited for that, and yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye. So guys, we are making our website, and this wasn't in like we didn't think of it as of now. We've been thinking of this, I think last when we went to Dubai was when 3 years back.
हाँ,
or 4 years back.
डोमेन नेम लेके रखा है.
3-4 साल तो हो गए होंगे ना.
हाँ, आराम से डोमेन नेम लेके रखा है, उसको रिन्यू किया. फिर माय ब्रदर इन लॉ टोल्ड अस कि वेबसाइट बना के रखो. पर हम लोग बहुत
we were actually not even working ना on Indulgence तब तो.
तो he just told us कि तुम लोग काम भी नहीं करे. जब भी लाइक आई थिंक वी हैड टेकन दैट वो 1.5 ईयर का ब्रेक, तभी भी लेके
रखो, because Indulgence was something which was very unique, and like we did not see anybody else using that name. So finally we are making our website today, and I could not work out because my trainer wasn't available at the time we had planned. So she's gonna make me work out tomorrow morning. She's meeting me tomorrow, and there's a lot of things happening today. Like शाम को सडनली जब मैं उठी, उसके बाद थोड़ी देर टाइम पास वगैरह किया, एंड शाम को सडनली देयर इज सो मच टास्क टू डू नाउ. मोस्टली वी आर गोना गो फॉर वैक्सीनेशन टुमारो, एंड आई एम रियली स्कैर्ड because I've heard so much about it, and we wanted to take Covaxin, but there's no Covaxin available anywhere, so we're just hoping and praying Covishield doesn't do any give us any side effects. Like I'm just hoping for that. And tomorrow we're also doing my nails because मेरे 4 nails निकल आए. So my nail technician is gonna come tomorrow. So first I have to get up for workout. Then we're gonna go for our vaccination. Then after that hopefully vaccination हो जाए. अभी तक तो बात भी नहीं हुई है वो अंकल से. मोस्टली होने वाली है. जस्ट अभी मेरे डैड का कॉल आया था. दैट्स हाउ आई नो शायद हो जाएगी. सो गाइज वी आर मेकिंग अ लोगो फॉर माई मॉम्स बिजनेस, एंड शी बेसिकली मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ वहाँ पे मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. शी बेसिकली मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्वीट्स एंड नमकीन स्टफ. So we thought of keeping the name as Kuch Meetha Kuch Namkeen, and I'm making the logo right now on Canva. So I'm gonna make it and show you all, and you all tell me if you like it. कहाँ वापस से वहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हो?
क्या इधर तो है ना.
आज हमने पर्पल पहना है by the way. कुछ मीठा कुछ नमकीन बाय भावना माखीजानी. और
आज हमने पर्पल पहना है.
बब्बू, I'm asking you something.
हाँ.
और नो भावना माखीजानी.
हाँ, लिखना नाम लिख. एंड हमने आज पर्पल पहना है, और कुछ मीठा कुछ नमकीन के बारे में बात चल रही है. तो डेयरी मिल्क का जो ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशन है वो यहाँ पर प्लग इन करें.
कुछ How is it?
ये डेयरी मिल्क
Why is it looking purple? It's not purple, it's blue real में.
ये जो डेयरी मिल्क का दिवाली का बॉक्स आता है ना, वैसा लग रहा है.
I wanted to keep it little Indian-y, and that's why I love this template. I think I really like it. So guys, Dhanashree from Coco Clock has sent this for me. A few days back I was really low, and I think she was in touch with Nikhil. So she wanted to make my मेरा मूड ठीक करना था उसको, तो उसने मेरे लिए ऑर्डर किया, तो मैं भी ओपन करने वाली हूँ. मैंने उसको जस्ट कॉल किया था ताकि शी कुड बी ऑन द video, but she's not on the video, so I'm just going to open it now. Wow, okay, this is so cute. He just is special to us and we care and love you a lot, इसलिए we want कि तुझे किसी की नज़र ना लगे, and that's why it's a little gift from us. This is so cute.
क्या
Oh
है?
my god,
What is it?
this is so sweet. This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute.
What is it?
Evil's eye. Okay, I believe in this a lot, and they know about it. This is
दिख नहीं रहा है.
absolutely beautiful.
Oh, it has your initial also.
Yeah, I love this. I wish she could play. I wish she had picked up the call. This is so pretty. Oh my
Look.
god.
हाँ अभी दिख रहा है. Nice.
Is I think what day? Today is 3rd and it's Saturday, and today morning I worked out after almost a week and I feel so good. After my workout was done, actually during my workout मुझे बिल्कुल भी stamina नहीं था. I could not do it. और ये last 2-3 हफ्ते बहुत ख़राब गया, और ये last week especially I had my period, so oh my god, I was all over the place. I did not do any activity for one whole week. I was just exhausted just because of my health. And आज वर्कआउट होने के बाद I was very tired, but I was so happy that finally वर्कआउट हुआ. And also I promised myself कि मुझे रात के टाइम पे like around 6 o'clock 5 o'clock के बाद अगर भूख लगेगी तो I'm not going to eat anything because I need to achieve my goal. So there's a lot of things coming up, so stay tuned for that. And we also are going for a drive right now because I was very exhausted mentally and I really needed a little bit change of environment. So मैंने बोला चलो थोड़ा बांद्रा साइड, हम लोग वैसे भी जब भी ड्राइव पे जाते तो we just go there, touch like on the road only, drive करके we come back, we don't get off because of obviously COVID. So we're not going to get off, we're just going to go there, drive करके we'll come back. And Caramel is with us because Caramel and Woody का अभी just walk करा है हमने 15 मिनट के लिए, and both of us are really exhausted. Even Caramel is really exhausted. So we are on Mount Mary Road, and Nikhil and I always dream of having a house over here, which I don't know if this is possible in this Janam or not, but this is our favorite location in Bandra. Church, I don't know if they can see it also or not.
Right
हाँ,
side.
reflection आ रहा था ना, पे अभी नहीं, अभी दिख रहा है.
Right side.
So beautiful यार. ये बंद है, ये पूरा ही रोड बंद है बेटा, यू टर्न लेना पड़ेगा. यस,
आगे से जा.
so guys बैंड स्टैंड का ये रोड पूरा बंद है. नहीं बच्चा, बंद है. वहाँ से रिक्शा तो गई है, चल देख ले.
अच्छा इधर ही बना है.
तो SRK का घर के यहाँ से लेट्स होप इट्स ओपन सो वी कैन गो, अदरवाइज यू टर्न लेना पड़ेगा. SRK's bungalow. So we had to go back. पुलिस ने रोक दिया है, अब हम लोग फिर से SRK के घर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, एंड फिर वही रोड लेंगे माउंट मैरी चर्च का, एंड वील गो बैक. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पर आना मना है. सो whoever is planning to come to bandstand to chill in the night in the car or however, please do not do that unless you stay here obviously. Shit यार, इसके जैसा बंगलो होना चाहिए लाइफ में. एक टाइम था जब सैटरडे नाइट कार्टर्स पूरा भरा हुआ था ना. अब एक इंसान नहीं है रास्ते पर. क्या कर दिया ना इस बीमारी ने.
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
सब खाली. I'm so glad about the class. It went so smoothly, like touch wood.
बहुत स्मूथ गया था
Thank
क्लास.
God we didn't take so many people.
Exactly.
Like last time. Oh my God.
लास्ट टाइम तो ऐसे हो रहा था, मतलब कुछ टॉपिक चालू हुआ, देन सडनली कोई गायब हो गया। मैंने अरे यार अभी ये गायब हो गया, अभी इसका वेट करो। फिर वापस वो आया, उसको एडमिट
2
किया।
घंटे का क्लास 4.5 घंटा चला।
5:30
Yeah.
एंड देन वापस कोई चला गया एंड वापस वे अरे अभी इसका वेट करना पड़ेगा। देन somebody had to go, अरे somebody had some emergency, ये हो गया वो हो गया। बोले अरे यार अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से इतने लोग लेने ही नहीं है। एंड देन बोले कि ये क्लास में अभी थोड़ा कम लेंगे, सॉरी मैं अपने आप को देख रहा हूँ।
आज कंसीलर लगाया इसके लिए।
तो एनीवे तो अभी रात के हुए हैं, टाइम क्या है?
1:55।
2 बजे है रात के। हम लोग सुबह से काम कर रहे हैं और मैडम का एनर्जी लेवल इतना है, उसको बैठ के अभी भी शूट करना है।
What are you, babe? We need to finish work. Get up.
What is the time?
1:58.
Who's not finishing work?
You.
Me?
Yes, I have been standing here doing the reels.
हाँ, so then you have to do the reels. No, मुझे क्या करने का
It's
है?
okay.
मैं vlog
My
shoot कर
fault.
रहा हूँ। I'm shooting the vlog. People are going to kill me because of this camera angle. वो पुराने ज़माने में सुनना।
Just wasting time every time I do.
1 सेकंड म्यूजिक बंद कर। ये रिमेम्बर पुराने ज़माने में जो मम्मी डैडी के शादियाँ होते तो कैमरामैन ऐसे होता था। ये देख,
उठना प्लीज।
ऐसे देख ऐसे।
क्या फिर?
कल सोने वाले हैं। अभी
Time
हुआ
क्या
है, अभी हुआ है
4. So guys, we just got
4
done.
बजे, 3 बजे।
We just got done with shooting. I think 10 reels at a time. 10 से 12 तो किए हैं. So we just shot 10. I think 10 reels. And we both are exhausted.
We had a class today. Then
But it was a fruitful day. I really loved it.
productive,
was-
मतलब आज प्रोडक्टिव का हाइट्स था। मतलब
मज़ा आया. मुझे तो
How?
बहुत मज़ा आया. My lower back is hurting and I'm sure Nikhil is exhausted.
गाली
And आज exactly 3 kilos gira मेरा. Like today morning I checked my weight. It was exactly 79.3 and it felt so good because I was exactly 3 kilos lighter. And I have a program that I'm starting from tomorrow. Obviously I'm doing it with Unnati, but I am starting the plan as in I'm planning to lose a certain amount of weight till my birthday. So I'm gonna keep you posted. कल मैं वो post-its वगैरह अपने wall पे लगाऊंगी and I'll show you all कैसे जाता है. तब बात करेंगे. अभी मैं बताऊंगी तो कुछ समझेगा नहीं. So I'm gonna show you all tomorrow. So guys, I ordered a pen set after so long. I feel so excited. बचपन में स्कूल में भी जब पेन्स खरीदते थे तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होता था न्यू पेन्स यूज़ करने में. So I'm going to tell you all what I'm doing today. I ordered these post-its. I'm going to write, like I'm going to make 84 days का post-its and 84 days में I'm like 84 days is till my birthday approximately because मैंने 2 दिन पहले चालू किया but मेरे पास post-its नहीं थे तो मैंने आज ये लगा रही हूँ वॉल पर. तो आज होगा 82 days. So we're going to write 82 days over here. Like 82 days के I'm going to stick post-its because I'm planning to lose 30 kilos, which I know it's not possible in 82 days, but I'm not going to say no. Never say never. So let's see how much I lose till my birthday. This time I'm pretty serious about losing weight. So today is 82, then 81, 80. ब्लॉगर ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड जाना चाहिए मिसेस दृष्टि माखीजानी कुमार. सो गाइज इट इज़ अभी 7 बजे है, 6:45 हुआ है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शेयरिंग के साथ उठी हूँ और मुझे लिटरली मैंने 2 पजामे, सॉक्स, 2 टी-शर्ट्स, एक ऊपर से ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको स्टोल या शॉल जो भी, और मेरी टी-शर्ट जो है वो भी थोड़ी बड़ी है ताकि अपना हाथ कवर कर पाऊँ. एंड फिर भी मैं अभी बात कर पा रही हूँ पिछले हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट से जब से मैं शिवरिंग से उठी हूँ. आई एम फीलिंग सो कोल्ड. लाइक मेरा सर एकदम ऐसे ठंड में कैसे कप आता है वैसे हो रहा है. सो बेसिकली आई एम लाइक मुझे शिवरिंग हुआ है एंड थैंक गॉड एक जन हम में से ठीक है जो निखिल है एंड उसका भी हेडेक हो रहा है बट ही इज़ नॉट लाइक टच वुड ही डजंट हैव any shivering or anything as of now. It's too early to say because रात तक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, but I literally woke up अभी आधे घंटे पहले with shivering. So let's see what happens. मैं फिलहाल गर्म कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ, डोल लूँगी एंड सो जाऊँगी, and later I'll keep you all posted. Guys, it is currently 3:15 and you can see we both are exhausted.
After sleeping.
Yeah, like my hand is, मेरा हाथ ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है, निखिल का भी हाथ ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ, मेरे को बहुत थकान हो रही है.
बहुत लोगों को हुआ ही नहीं था.
हाँ, बट वी बोथ हैव लेस इम्यूनिटी प्रॉबेबली. तो हम दोनों को, मेरा सर भारी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट हाँ ऐसे लग रहा है कि वो आई एम ड्राउजी एंड बॉडी में सब वार्म फील हो रहा है. एंड आई एम स्टिल वेयरिंग 2 टी-शर्ट्स एंड पजामा एंड मैंने सॉक्स उतार दिए अभी, बट स्टिल लाइक ठंडी थोड़ी हो सकती है मुझे लगे, क्योंकि एसी भी चालू किया है. एसी बंद में सोए थे हम लोग अब तक.
बहुत बॉडी पेन है.
हाँ, मेरा भी बॉडी पेन है और गले में ना थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे वार्म फील हो रहा है. सो हाँ, सिम्टम लाइक साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स है हम लोग को. सो आई विल कीप योर पोस्टेड अभी नेक्स्ट क्या होता है. बट वी बोथ आर एग्जॉस्टेड आफ्टर स्लीपिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग. ऑल्सो हम लोग बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड है. और अभी हम लोग कॉफ़ी पीने वाले हैं एंड देन आई नो काम नहीं करना चाहिए, बट कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट काम है जो हम लोग को करना है यूट्यूब के लिए. तो फॉर विच आर गोइंग राइट नाउ.
अच्छा,
आई हैव बीन टेलिंग हिम नॉट टू बट ही स्टिल एडमेंट बिकॉज कल ऑर्डर है तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट.
हाँ, जाना ही पड़ेगा, वो बेचारा आदमी रुका हुआ है.
या सो ही इज सपोज्ड टू गो, which I know I don't want him to go, but still he's going. He will not listen. So he's going, and I'm gonna lie down. I was crying in the morning. बहुत रो रही थी मैं. और तेरा अभी कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुआ तेरे को प्रॉब्लम?
मेरे को तो मतलब दोपहर से ही.
So you what time you woke up?
I think around 11-12. उसके बाद I haven't slept properly. I was just tossing and turning.
I have been sleeping since morning, since night. I have been sleeping. मेरे को शिवरिंग हुआ, उसके बाद तो मैं ऐसे डबल ट्रिपल सब चीज़ें पहन के सोई थी. उसके बाद मैं उठी तो इसको ठंडी लग रही थी, तो इसका मैंने क्विल्ट वापस दे दिया बेचारे का. मैं इसको बोला मेरा भी ले ले, तब मुझे ठंडी नहीं लग रही थी. मैंने बोला मेरा भी ले ले, बोलता नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को मेरा.
मुझे इतना ठंडी नहीं लग रहा था, but I gave her my quilt and I slept without it, so I felt very cold. Then I woke up and took it back.
Yeah. But yeah, we both are feeling sick. So guys, okay, I really don't have energy to talk, but I have to finish the vlog. And right now Nikhil is feeling sick. उसको बुखार जैसा लग रहा है और टाइम हो चुका है करीबन, what is the time? 8 बजे है शायद. और मेरा हाथ तो दुख रहा है, थोड़ा सा नींद, लथार्जी बहुत ज़्यादा है. निखिल को अभी बुखार और हेडेक हो रहा है. एंड आई थिंक आई होप बाय टुमारो वी शुड बी फाइन. मुझे सुबह उठना है वर्कआउट के लिए, सो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज़. एंड कल ऑर्डर भी है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है. बट ये व्लॉग में हमने 2 हफ्ते की चीज़ दिखाई है और 2 हफ्ते में मैंने क्या किया ये मुझे अभी याद भी नहीं है. जब एडिटिंग पे बैठेंगे तब मालूम पड़ेगा. दिस विल प्रॉब्ली गो आउट टुमारो, राइट?
I hope so.
Yeah, I think so. Like, I really hope so as well.
2 हफ्ते का बहुत फुटेज है यार.
बहुत फुटेज भी है और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा थके हुए हैं और बहुत हालत ख़राब भी है. तो आई डोंट नो कैसे होगा, बट वील हैव टू ट्राई डूइंग इट. कल नहीं तो परसों तो होपफुली आ जाएगा. प्लीज़ ट्राई करके कल डालते हैं.
मैं आई थिंक आज आधा एडिट करूँगा और कल फिर सुबह एडिट करूँगा, जब भी तू ऑर्डर पे काम करती रहती है.
सो या मैं कल से न्यू व्लॉग स्टार्ट करूँगी अगले हफ्ते का. बट आज यहीं पे ये व्लॉग ख़त्म करते हैं फ़िलहाल. आई होप यू ऑल एन्जॉयड इट. एंड और क्या बोलना होता है, मैं तो भूल गई हूँ सब कुछ. आई होप यू ऑल एन्जॉयड इट. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. और
Snowy.
can you all hear that? That is Snowy. She is in heat right now. मतलब अभी एंड हो रहा है उसका हीट का पीरियड, तो शी इज़ काइंड ऑफ अग्रेसिव. बट या आई होप यू एन्जॉयड वॉचिंग अस डूइंग टाइम पास एंड डूइंग अदर थिंग्स. एंड ये सब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ यार. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी यू ऑल रियली सून. बाय.